Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start inside Final Cut Pro with your project open, select the clip or the gap in the timeline where a transition belongs. Use the browser to preview clips and make sure the inspector is visible so you can adjust parameters later. Once done, skim clips in the browser to find matching in and out points. This speeds decision-making. You want clean cuts first, because a poor edit point will make any transition look wrong. Now move to the Transitions browser to pick a style. Once inside the Transitions browser, filter by type, dissolves, wipes, or stylized to narrow choices quickly. Hovering thumbnails previews motion in the viewer so you can judge timing and style before applying. Drag the chosen transition directly between two clips to apply a standard cut-affecting transition or onto a clip for a compound effect. Make sure the clips have sufficient handles. If not, extend them in the timeline. If timing needs tweaking, adjust duration, finalize the transition by selecting it, and using the inspector to set duration, alignment, and ease settings. This controls how quickly the effect starts and ends. You can choose center, start, or end alignment depending on whether you want the change to overlap more of the incoming or outgoing clip. If the transition looks choppy, render the section and confirm both clips share the same frame rate and resolution. Mismatches cause flicker. If problems persist, replace the transition with a simpler dissolve to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.